Hey you guys, this is my marble work table tutorial. You see this ugly thing? We're gonna turn it into marble using this marble vinyl contact paper. I got it from Menards. I can maybe leave you the link. It's by Duck, like duct tape. So you see on the back it has like little like numbers. Little it's basically like a measuring stick in the back. Yes, this is me cutting off the end that I don't need so that I can have a full sheet. I'm now measuring how long it is, how wide it is, and that'll help me to be able to cut out easier. I'm leaving like maybe like an inch and a half so I can fold it under the table. I said two, but just like an inch and a half. Well, it was probably 2 inches, but yeah. I think that was like 17 inches. Y'all don't need to know that. If y'all have the same table, y'all can just, yep, it's a 17 right there. In order to cover the whole length. So I'm cutting it. What is up me yawning today? Yeah, I'm just trying to measure how long, well, how wide or whatever. It is very exciting over here, if you can't tell. um, just gonna have you guys watch this part. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is me using my pink bottle so I can cut. You see me about to cut off that excess 3 inches that doesn't fit at all on here. Um, it's pretty difficult because this was in a rolled form. So yeah. I'm just using random bottles to keep it laying flat. My excitement because I'm seeing it happen. I love this vinyl because it's not too black. It just looks very nice and gradient. It's not too much black parts. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the bottom. I'm just finding something so that I can be able to flatten it out and not have any bubbles. It's kind of hard to open this thing, to peel it from the backing. Me trying to figure out something. Trying to figure out a corner. Wow. I could not get a grip. So I'm going to start off with just peeling it off of here completely, I think. Oh, no, I'm going to do that. Okay. Well, I guess not. I'm mostly going to use my hands because there's really no need. I'm like at all. Because for one, you can't see it. You wouldn't be able to see if there were little bubbles in it anyway. So I'm mostly using my hands and using the tool just in case. You see, it was perfect. No need. I'm cutting around the edges so that since my table is curved, it'll lay flat-ish. It didn't turn out looking as flat in the end, but it looks just fine because I put some stuff on the edges. Me cutting it out so that it can be able to lay it completely flat around the table. If you guys have a less rounded table, then this won't be a problem for you. Me trying to figure this out. It's so funny. I don't normally do these crafts, but I love it though. I cannot wait to get in my new room next year. You know, since I'm a freshman and all, I'll get to go in another room, another dorm area. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, I can't wait to fix that one up. As y'all can see, my room looks really dirty right now, but it looks really good. Like today, in this day that I'm actually saying this, I'm cutting off the excess right here, just putting it on the backing. It's the only place I had it. It is nice and flat, yes. And in the end, I will show you guys my actual finish because I added a little gold tape to the side, which made it look oh so bomb. And see you guys for that clip.